We're rolling?
Okay, shall we go?
Go for it.
Hi, I'm Angélique Burke, VP of Fragrance at Sensegen, the first and only biotech fragrance house. We were attending ACI at the end of January, and I am thrilled because we have been selected to present at the Innovation Showcase about green and novel chemistry. We have exciting news to share, but it's still a secret. Now, if you're attending or know someone who does, make sure you get your hands on the sample that will be in the attendee bag. That way, you will be able to experience our 100% all-natural fragrance that smells just as good and performs just as well as the synthetic ones that we're used to. And it's not just a blend of essential oils, nor is it based on fossil fuels. The showcase is at 10 a.m. on Wednesday morning, so I'll see you there.